say one of my favorite parts to this project is getting to buy new tools all the time. But the unfortunate part to the purchase we made this week is that it's a replacement part. And it's not a new addition to our tool collection, which kind of brings down the whole excitement part of buying new tools. But on the plus side, we did manage to get the floor model, which means we didn't have to discard the old box. And trust me, if you're doing a van build, that's a true thing. And we managed to get it for like half price. Bam! Winning. Another perk, if you're watching this, you know where I live. There's a free sauce sitting out back my gate. Well, that definitely didn't take long. Literally, by the time we got that door shut, I could hear somebody out there loading it up already. It's gone, sorry guys. But let's move forward and discuss this week's project on the... Now, as most of you probably already know, my name's Jeff Dares. This channel's Dares Drives. And over the last few months, you've watched us putting all of our stuff on top of the roof, including solar panels, fans, awnings, you name it, it's on top of that roof. Then we, of course, went to underneath the van, put in airbags, trailer hitches, and then after that, we were on our hands and knees for the next couple of weeks, putting in our whole flooring system and insulation and all that kind of stuff. And one of the comments we keep getting, slow down, be careful. Don't burn yourself out. This is a true thing in building a project as well as creating YouTube videos. Both sides always talk about burnout. So it's only fitting that this week we installed a swivel seat. And this honestly should be a pretty easy video, so we'll consider it like a break. But of course, we need to start from the beginning, my friends. No chair. Now, before installing the seat, we got to put the headliner back in, and look how good it fits towards the headliner and that ceiling that we built. After that, we got to put our headliner shelf back in, and we're ready to install some seats, my peeps. So for the driver's side seat, which is not going to be on a swivel, we're just going to get all of our wires out of the way. We'll make sure we plug in our yellow wire that we unplugged when we disassembled it. And then it'll bolt in using the exact same bolts we took it out with. Actually feels like we can go for a drive again in this beast. Exciting times. Now, I woke up early this morning in hopes to beat this heat. But look at this. It is freaking smoking in here, peeps. And it's all because of this recording. It slows us down so much. But we're so close to 500 subscribers right now, it's not even freaking funny. Now, although I know for myself, that means I got a whole pile of work going on to try and re-tag all the products we're using. But we're going to do it, I promise. And this all started, this major growth spurt we've taken, is all from the day I asked you guys to comment. And as I mentioned before, part of your entertainment is being able to watch these videos. And my entertainment is going back and seeing how you guys comment and what you guys think of what we've done. So please, 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 go down below, throw down a comment, hit that like button. It helps me out so much, and honestly, that is my true entertainment out of doing these videos. But, now it's time for what you guys came for, installing the swivel seat. Now I must warn, if you're planning on putting one of these swivel seat kits in your van, and it's a 2019, make sure order well in advance, because this thing took like 3.5 months on back order to get here. And of course now, it's been sitting in my garage for like 5 months, and I haven't opened the box yet. So let's see if we can find this thing first. Now, I know you showed up. What the heck did the box look like again? It was a flat one. Oh man. Ah, there you are. There you are. This one, right here. Look, it's like 5 months it's been here. We haven't opened this thing yet. Let's pray that it's right and has all the pieces. Or else we're going to end up with another delay, my friends. So we ordered this from Nomad Vans online. Whoa. And that's what she looks like. Not a lot to it. So it does come with our new bolts to go into the swivel. Now, to install this swivel base, we're just going to take our seat and put it upside down on our table. And you'll notice it has these locating pins, which according to the instructions, it says that we have to shear them off. Because if you take your plate and you set her down on top, they do just barely drag across that plate. So I'm just gonna take our grinder and just grind them down, just not even a millimeter. There you go. Now they clear, no problem at all. So with everything in place, I'm just gonna swivel it to the side just a little bit so we have access to all 4 holes. Using the short stubby bolt they gave us and the nylock nut, we tighten down all 4 corners. And we are now ready to install this into the van. Oh, I will say, it definitely adds a couple pounds to the seat. I just set off my car alarm. Now you're not going to want to forget to plug this wire in again that goes right here, but it does say that you want it to go up through the center hole of the pedestal itself, or the swivel itself, and then you can plug it in. Just like that. Now I'm going to move you again. I'm going to take the seat and place it down on top of the pedestal. It's so hot in here I can't even keep my glasses on my face. So, with the seat slid forward, it came with the bolts for it, so they sit down and they're nice and flat. What is going on? Oh, by far the most stubborn bolts I've ever had to line up in my lifetime, I think. Oh. What is going on? Okay, look at this. We gotta talk about this. I did initially get the 2 rear ones put in, but then I wasn't able to get the front ones put in. So now I ended one rear one so I could get this one in and the one on the rear, that one in. But now if you look at the bolt holes, they don't line up no matter what I do. And on this one, I know it's hard to see, but it doesn't line up. It doesn't matter what I do. I rotate them and we still end up with the same issue every single time. What is going on here? You guys don't need to sit around watching this. I guarantee that. You're getting me angry. I got 3 of 4 in. So we got 1 there, 2 there, number 3 right there, but number 4 will not go in. Now the crazy part is if I take the stock bolt that comes with the chairs, I can get it to thread in, no problem. Instantly, threads right in. This bolt that comes with the swivel, not a chance. I've rotated them. I can still get that one to go back in. Cannot get one to go into this hole. Why do things have to fight me? Why? Seriously. And after an hour and a half of fighting with it, it literally just suddenly decided to go in. I don't know what the trick was, but it would not go in. It fought and fought and fought. See, I was using clamps trying to get it straight, and it ended up just, I took a break, came back, and it threaded right in. So, if you buy one of these swivel seat mounts, have fun. That's all I can say. But check this out. And there it is. Looks pretty much exactly the same as the factory one. It is an inch taller. To swivel it around, recline it forward, slide the seat all the way forward, and then grab the red handle, spin it around, you have a swivel seat. Now it does swivel freely when it's swiveled around, and then when you turn it all the way around to the front, it locks in place for safety and driving. Oh, I can take a nap now and dream about traveling in our van. Wasted. And the more I drink, the more I think about you. I don't wanna live that way. As Jacob was trapped. US 97, Luna passes reporting. The temperature is in the upper 20s with clear skies. There is compact snow and ice in places. Traction tires are advised.
God is, after all, God. His position as
Oh, yes, of course. Here, come over here. Just think. Sit there, stare out my side door at the beach, or all the way down through our van once it's all complete. So, this is going to be another video in the banks, another project in the books. So if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, maybe consider doing so. Obviously no pressure, you do you, but it is completely free and it does mean the world to me. If you have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And of course, as always, we will see you next Sunday. Perfect.